was awkward. Hey you guys, so I'm coming at you with a Walmart grocery haul. So I worked the next 2 nights. When I was in Walmart, I couldn't like think, okay, what do I want to eat? Because you know, I've been having taco salads. Last weekend I worked a weekend and I had taco salad all weekend, and I'm like, okay, I could do that again. So I got some stuff for that just in case I wanted to do that. But then I came across some other things and I'm like, okay, well maybe I'll try it, and if it's good, who knows, you know? Okay, so let's get into it. So before I leave for work, I've been craving sandwiches. I don't know why, but just like a turkey sandwich with lettuce and cheese and mayo. Sounds really good. So what I got was some deli oven roasted turkey. And then I got Velveeta slices. These are for one, you can have 1 point, or one is 1 point, and then this turkey you can have, I think it's 4 slices or 2 ounces for 1 point, which is like nothing. And then I got shredded lettuce. Typically I wouldn't put shredded lettuce on a sandwich. I would get like iceberg, but I had it for my taco salad and I was too lazy to run back and get. Anyways, it'll work. It's just as good. And then I already have bread. I'll show you the bread. I just got this. I haven't even opened it yet. Just the Delight. This time I got the whole wheat. The multi-grain is okay, but the whole wheat one's really good. I need to find like a really good white bread that's kind of low in points. Haven't came across one yet, but if you do know of a good white bread that's kind of low in points, because this one you can have 2 pieces for 2 points, but I mean, like, even if it was 3 or 4 points, like, it'd be worth it if it was really good. So if you know of any good bread, let me know down below. For the sandwiches, I love pickles, you guys. They're my absolute favorite thing. If I could live off of one thing to eat, it'd probably be pickles. So I got, also sorry if I'm like licking my lips and I'm being weird. I just got my cavity right here in the front fixed. Anyways, I just got that fixed and it's all numb and it just feels so weird. And like I have where they like shot it with the Novocaine. It hurts so bad and my eye watered. And get your teeth cleaned. Do not neglect them. Anyways, so then I got pickles. These ones are so good. You can only find the Clausen. These ones are in the refrigerated section. Sorry, I'm like out of the frame. These ones are in the refrigerated section. You have to go buy like the deli meat and stuff. Otherwise, I mean, regular hamburger pickles would probably be just as good. Sea salt poppable chips. My favorite kind of these is actually the barbecue ones. But of course they didn't have barbecue. That's really hard for me to find sometimes. But so these sea salt ones are really good. I have not tried the white cheddar. I'm kind of skeptical too. I don't know why. I'm just kind of nervous. And then for some dinners, like tonight I was thinking about having you know, I don't know what I'm gonna make tonight, but I wanted to do something with this. I love these spaghetti vegetable pastas. They're so delicious. I'm thinking I'm gonna make chicken parm. I probably won't make a recipe because the recipe I get it from is from Felicia Fitness Health. So what she does is just coat some chicken in some shake and bake. You put it in like the New Wave, put some cheese on top with some tomato sauce, and then this you eat it with this, and it's so good. So speaking of meat, this week I got chicken, and I have some chicken breasts in the freezer for some other recipes, but I just wanted these because they're unthawed and I can cut them and I can make my food like that. I don't have to unthaw the chicken and stuff. Lazy. And then I got 2 of these 99% lean ground turkey. This stuff is my ride or die. It's so good. I eat it in tacos. I eat it basically in spaghetti and whatever. So speaking of spaghetti, I got brown rice pasta spirals. This is the brand. This is what they look like. I have the elbows, and it's weird because at Walmart, they have these at Walmart, but they're in a different aisle. They're not in the pasta aisle. They're in like the gluten organic, kind of where like Annie's macaroni is. So like the pasta aisle, it's the next aisle over. So I would definitely scope out your Walmart because they do have them and it's really cheap. So I was gonna make spaghetti, so I got a couple cans of this because I can eat this with my chicken parm too. Also in spaghetti, so what I do is I make I boil it or like let it simmer, and then I add minced garlic, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, pepper, and just kind of season it to myself because like a spaghetti can of stuff is like 3 points for like a fourth a cup or not even, and you could literally eat this whole can with your noodles for 0. So I mean, you wouldn't want to eat the whole can because that's a lot, but you know what I mean. Like you can, it's just like the little things that you modify. So like if you love spaghetti, have it with brown rice noodles because they're just as good, and throw some ground turkey that's 0. And then even if you don't do Weight Watchers, this is a good option because it's only 25 calories and it's literally tomato puree, water, onion powder, garlic powder, red pepper. That's it. It's all like, it's just good for you. It's better than the processed stuff. And then I saw this, the light creamy Alfredo sauce, and I was like, I could make chicken Alfredo with pasta because I love Alfredo. So I don't know, you guys, what I'm gonna meal prep for work because I'm stuck in this predicament because I love them both. So I don't know. And then Jason loves stuffing, so I had to get some of that. I do eat this for half of a cup. I think it's 4 points, 4 or 6 points. I think it's 4. I'll double check and I'll put it on the screen here. I got 2 onions. In case I make tacos this week, I got reduced sodium taco seasoning and jalapenos. Oh my gosh, I got the hot one. Dang it. I think that, I don't know if it comes in not a hot one. I could have swore I've gotten it not hot before. And then I don't really know why I got this, but I got celery, carrots, onions cut up. It was $2, and I thought about making chili. I have all of this stuff. I could literally make so many recipes, and I just don't know what to make. So the struggle is real. I struggle so hard, you guys, sometimes. Like, it's not with my food that I struggle with, it's I struggle with, like, what should I make? Like, I get so indecisive. And then before work, like I said, I'm having sandwiches and chips because I eat the eggs and hash browns and the cottage cheese a lot. But I get really sick of food easy. I don't know how some people can like eat the same thing for a whole year. Like, I literally cannot. I get really sick of it easily. And so I can go through spurts of eating the eggs and the hash browns, or like the Felicia combo, if you know what that is. I eat it often, and so I'm like, I don't want to get sick of it, so I'm cutting back, but I still got cottage cheese to have with my sandwich and the chips. And then for lunches at work, I don't like to just have just what I'm brought. I like to have like a dessert or like something with it. If it's not fruit or whatever, I'll have one of these. Sugar-free chocolate pudding. This is only 2 points for a little container. And then this is not something I advise you on getting, but you guys know I work nights and I have a hard time sometimes at work, and so I got 2 energy drinks. The first one I got was the Bang Cotton Candy. I absolutely love this one. This one's so good. Highly recommend the cotton candy flavor. It tastes legitimately like cotton candy. I personally think so. And then this red one, ultra red, I'm assuming it'll taste like fruit punch, but that is actually all of it, you guys. That is my little mini grocery haul. I hope that this helped you. I know I've been doing a lot lately. All of this was $60, and as you can see, I actually got a lot of food. I got 3 things of meat, I got turkey, I got stuff for sandwiches, the bread, if I would have had to buy the bread, under $3. I also forgot light mayo, which me and Jason will go out later and get some but I think that's like under $3, so like all of this would be like about 60 something. I spent about 60, so yeah, I mean $60 for all this is not bad. I got Indy always takes a drink when I'm recording, so I'm sorry. You good? Okay, so anyways, I am going to put all of this away before it melts all over my counter, because I did get some frozen stuff. But yeah, what I was saying was I got a lot of meat, I got a lot of stuff. I got 3 cans of this. This is always good to have around the house, if you like tomatoes, that is. Because like I can make chicken parm, I can make chili, and I could make spaghetti, because I have the options. I have all this food. Some ideas. I know it can be so rough, like you walk into the grocery store and you have no idea what you want. That was me today, so I just kind of went with my gut and just kind of got some things that I would normally get. So if you guys liked this, please give it a thumbs up and I will do more of these. And if you're not already, please subscribe. I would love to have you guys stick around on this Get Fit BBH train. Like I said yesterday, I don't think that's a thing, but we can make it a thing. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.